Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's video. The topic of discussion for today is food chain and food web. This topic is in continuity with previous topic, energy flow in the ecosystem in the form of producers, consumers and decomposers. In this video we will define food chain and food web, discuss their examples and importance one by one. Start with the definition of food chain. As we all know that organisms need energy for their survival and for their life activities. And in living organisms, plants are the only organisms that can prepare their food for themselves and also for all other living organisms. And animals directly depend upon plants for their food and on other animals. And in this way, they make a relationship of eating and being eaten. In whole process, sunlight energy stored in plants as food, as chemical energy, is transferred from producers to consumers level. And in whole process they form a links, and these links are called food chain. So we can define food chain as production of food and the feeding relationship among organisms at different level form a food chain. Let's discuss the simplest example of food chain. Every food chain starts from producers. Plants are the producers that have ability to make their food by photosynthesis. And in turn, plants are eaten by herbivores. Herbivores are the animals that directly eat plants. And next, herbivore may be eaten by any carnivore. Here, fox is the primary carnivore as it is eating herbivore. And in turn, fox is eaten by lion and lion is secondary carnivore. So in this way, they make a link, a straight linear chain, and that chain is called food chain. Let's discuss the definition of food web. As we all know that food chains are not so simple. As we all know that animals can eat a variety of other animals as well. They have the chance to get food from other organisms as well. So we can say that food chains can be interlinked, and when many food chains are joined together, they form a food web. In simple wording, when many food chains are joined and the animals have chance to eat other animals and in turn they may be eaten by other animals, they form a food web. Here we can see the simplest example of food web. Food web also start from producers. Here grass are the producers, and grass may be eaten by grasshopper, mouse and coyote. These animals can directly eat the grass and they are called herbivores. And the mouse in turn may be eaten by snake, by hawk, by coyote. So they have the chances to eat a large number of foods, and here many food chains are linked together and they form a web, and this is called food web. You can see a more example of food web. It is a complex food web with many food chains. I hope you have understand the topic food chain and food web. In the end, I have a question for you. You have to answer me, what would happen if decomposers vanish from the face of earth? If there will be no decomposers, then what will happen? The answer of that question, without decomposers, dead plants and animals would pile up. There will be heaps and piles of dead bodies everywhere, and essential nutrients would not re-return to the soil. This would stop food chain cycle, making it impossible for new life to grow. I hope you have understand the topic. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.